Think about how many times a day you sit down and stand up from a toilet. It's one of the most common movements we make, and yet, with a standard 15-inch toilet, it's also one of the most physically demanding, especially on the knees, hips, and lower back. Now compare that to the convenient height 21-inch tall toilet. Those extra 6 inches make a world of difference. Instead of dropping down low and struggling to push yourself back up, your body stays in a more natural, chair-height position. Sitting down feels controlled, standing up feels smooth. Less strain, less effort, more confidence. That's what made the idea behind Convenient Height so brilliant. When the Convenient Height brand introduced the 21-inch tall toilet back in 2016, 10 years ago, it wasn't just a new product. It was a rethink of everyday comfort and safety. They recognized that toilets hadn't evolved with the way people actually move, age, or recover. By designing a toilet that works with your body instead of against it, Convenient Height created a simple but powerful solution, one that helps prevent falls, reduces joint stress, and restores independence. Sometimes, innovation isn't about adding complexity, it's about raising the standard, literally. When the Convenient Height brand introduced the 21-inch tall toilet back in 2016, 10 years ago, it wasn't just a new product, it was a rethink of everyday comfort and safety. Visit convenientheight.com for more information. We hope to see you soon, and thank you for watching.